No, it's visible, sir.
It's visible now. So do you remember what we saw last time? This theorem we solved last time, okay?
You have to start with theorem 2.
Okay, so I think you have sent it some assignment as well, right?
Yeah.
I lost, I think I don't have because of this phone here today.
But so the last question, I had a doubt on it. I did the other two, but the last.
Because of phone change, I am not having that paper where it was.
Well, if you want at the end of the class, I can resend it.
Okay, of course. Of course. So this was assignment or something else? This was or something else?
This was assignment, sir.
This was the
What you
assignment.
sent. No, this was not an assignment, sir. This is.
Okay, so if this was not the assignment, so this was, I think.
No, these circles are not the assignments, sir.
Okay, then you send me after the class. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So after reading the theorem, we have to move and solve some question further. Okay. So theorem was, see how I memorized in our school life. I still remember. Okay.
Okay.
I still remember this theorem, statement of theorem. So you have to memorize all the theorem like that also. Okay, because if you remember the theorem well, you will be solving the question within seconds. Okay.
Okay.
Even in fraction of minutes. So I remember that I read in Hindi कि विर्त के केंद्र पे बना कोण विर्त के शेष भाग पे बने कोण का दूना होता है. Okay. So the number of theorem I just still remember. So you have to keep in mind. If you know, you will be doing question without any confusion. So this was the statement. This was the statement. This in Hindi we call circle to width. Okay. You know how to write Hindi?
With no, I don't think so. No, we never did shapes in Hindi.
So it says that this width means circle. केंद्र में center. इस पे जो angle will be formed, it will be double the angle formed at any point on the circle. So there's the same statement.
It's hanging.
Yes, it's hanging. Because weather is not fine over here. It's rainy weather, that's why. So this angle, the AOC, will be twice the angle on the any part of the circle. Okay. So this was the statement, and I still remember. I passed my. I think I read it in class 7th or something. Yeah, not in 9. And I passed my matriculation in 2006. So I still remember. So this is the question. Okay. So how we will solve this? We have to find the question is that angle in the same segment of circle are equal. We have to prove that angle in the same segment of circle are equal. Means that for the first case, angle ACB equal to angle ADB, right? We have to prove it. Okay, so how we will proceed? We will say that angle AOB, this angle AOB, right?
Yeah.
Will be angle ACB twice.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a statement 1. Similarly for this triangle, angle AOB is equal to angle twice of ADB. Do you know from theorem?
Yes, sir.
So see, this left hand side is equal. So what we will get? Angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Proved?
Angle C.
ADB.
Yeah.
Okay. So the statement in other way is that this is the same arc.
Yeah.
AB is the arc, right?
Hmm.
This is the same arc, and the angles subtended by same arc on the circles are always equal.
Okay.
For the same arc, angles subtended by the same arc is always equal.
Okay.
So you may write down this statement. This is very important statement to solve the problems.
Okay.
And I will do the third one, and I'm leaving second for you to solve, prove, and show me right away.
Okay. Sir, I should tell you now.
Sorry?
Should I tell you now the
Yes, the second proof.
so here we can say the angle AOB is equal to two times of angle ACB,
Yes.
and angle AOB is equal to twice of angle ADB. So
Okay.
ACB is equal to ADB.
Okay, good. Then what about the third part?
Third part. Sir, I'm a bit confused.
Okay. Nothing to worry about. Third is, this is reflex angle.
Yeah.
AOB is twice the angle ACB. Okay, and this is also left hand side is also equal to. This is true for reflex angle as well. Reflex AOB is equal to angle ADB. So from here, ACB is equal to ADB. Got?
Yeah.
This was the simple. You may write down all three cases. Draw the figure as well and write it down.
Okay.
Because geometry is not without figure. Geometry without figure means nothing. If you forget to draw the geometrical figure, teacher has right to give you 0 marks. Even if you are turning the page, okay? So make sure to make the graph of figure on the next page as well. You draw the figure on the first page, and now you are changing the page, okay, turning the page. So in second figure, you too have to draw the figure. In the second page, you too have to draw the figure. This is the standard practice, what I learned in our school. Otherwise, teacher has right to give you 0 marks, because without geometry, there is no meaning of proving theorems or something. Or even drawing the figure will give you marks. If you put all the given information like that, these were the given informations here. Let me show you. To prove this line. Okay, so this was the given information. We have to prove this. So you have to write it down that we have to prove this, and what theorem we use, you have to write it. Theorem, whatever theorem we use. If you remember the statement, write the statement. Okay, and then proceed according to the theorem, according to question or according to theorem, and then proceed. Then you will get 100% marks. Otherwise, there is chance to lose the marks, at least in the board exam. The teacher is a standard teacher. Okay.
Okay.
So do it. Are you done?
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, finished.
So next is if O is the center of circle, will you be doing the question number? This O is not clear in this figure, right? So for time
Yeah,
being,
I was. So, which is the O?
so leave this question, do this. Can you do this?
Okay.
Any progress?
Wait, sir, just 1 minute. So I'm confused. I can't find the answer.
Which question?
The second one, I'm
Oh,
not
second.
understanding how.
Okay, no problem. See, this is 180 degree. So this will be 90 degree, right?
How 90 degree?
Now what we learn? We learn in theorem, na? Angle AOB equal, what we
Oh
learn?
yeah,
Angle
yeah,
AOB equal to half of angle, right?
yeah, that's right. Yeah, so it'll be 90 degree. Yeah.
Okay. So this will be 90 degree. It is written over here, na? Reflex AOB, 9 twice of angle, this. Is the right, that if we will put the ACB 90, then it will be 180 degree. So it will be equal to this, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So now this, this is X. So add X plus 90 plus 35.
Uh,
So find the X. In this angle, we will be getting all the angles.
yeah, just let me do it now. So
Sorry?
let me do it now because I have to minus. I can't do mentally.
Okay, so do in paper.
Oh. It'll be 55 degrees.
It will be 55 degrees. Just a minute. Just a minute. I have to take a call. If you say it is 55 degree, I will assume the answer is correct. Okay. What about the next question?
Next question.
Oh,
The
before that, let me solve the first question for you. Okay. We already learned that the angle may subtended by same arc are always equal. So if this is 30 degree, this also will be equal to 30 degree, right?
Yeah.
So angle BAC will be equal to angle BDC. So this is 30 degree. So this is also equal to the 30 degree BDC, right? So what we have to do now, we have to find this X. This X is included angle BDC. So therefore in triangle BDC, use that.
Yeah.
In triangle BDC, sum of all angle is equal to 180 degree. So that's 70 degree plus 30 degree plus X is 180 degree, right? Solve it. 100 degree is equal to 80 degree, right?
110 degree. So 70 degree it will be X.
X will be 70 degree. 70 plus 30 is 100 degree.
And
70 plus
60
30 is
degrees. 60 degree.
70 plus 30 is 100 degree. So
Yeah, 100 degree.
is,
Then I minus it. Then I minused it with 180.
so if you will, I know.
So it will be 80 degrees. Sorry.
Yes, right. Got the point. This is 80 degree. So how we will do it? Now, sometime doing in mind, it may, what?
The second question, the X for in the Q angle over there, X is what to answer then?
X, you didn't got 55 degree.
Yeah, I got for the A. That was PAB.
Okay. So you have to calculate in this angle, right?
Yeah, that's why I was confused.
Oh. So how we will find the answer for this x degree, right? So how could we proceed? Think this is based on the original theorem. Come with your own thinking for next class. Okay. Take time and try to solve it. Okay.
Hmm.
Now do the third one. Did you get any clue?
Wait, so 1 minute.
Okay. See, how we will solve this question? Question third. OB is equal to OA, right? If two sides are equal, then this is congruent triangle. And then that leads that angle ABO is equal to angle OAB, right? Are you there?
Oh, sorry, I was muted. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. So we will use this condition. So it will be 20-20 each, right?
Yeah.
So it is 20, it is also 20. 25, sorry, 25. Similarly, this is equal to this. So this will be 35 degree. Okay. So the sum of all these two will make this angle, right?
Yeah.
So what will be this? 35, 40, 60. This will be 60 degree. So this will be 120. Right?
I got that, sir. I was thinking I was wrong.
Okay. You may be in some wrong, different fashion.
So I didn't take like 35, like there'll be the same angle. I just added 25 and 35 immediately and put 60 for angle A.
Okay. So you solve this, you added this, and you said that, okay, 35, 120. So
Yeah.
these two questions, you just write it down and solve yourself. We will proceed for the next concept. Write it down.
What, sir? Could you repeat? Could you? I didn't hear you.
Write down these three questions, 4, 5, 6, as your home assignment. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, now we have another theorem. If a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at two other points lying on the same side of line segment, then 4 points are cyclic. That is lie on the same circle. Okay. So I have ready-made proof. You got what is ready-made proof? Just write down the this is the statement. Given
Yeah,
that
just
a
one more. Let
just a
me
minute,
just write.
we'll come back. We'll come back. Okay, once just introduce the problem, we'll come back. So given is AB, just a little bit low. AB is a line segment. C and D are 2 points lying on the same side of AB such that ACB is ADB, right? This ACB is ADB. Okay. To prove that A, B, C, D lie on the same circle. So now we have to do a construction. Draw a circle through the three collinear point A, B, and C. So using 3 points, we have drawn a circle. Okay. And we also have just assume that D prime is lie on the circle, but D is outside. We have drawn a perpendicular on AD prime in the fashion. So proof is that if D lies on the circle passing through point ABC, then clearly the results follows. Is font is okay? Is visible?
Yeah.
If possible, suppose D does not lie on the circle. Okay. Then this circle will intersect AD or DA produced at D. If D doesn't lie on the circle, then it will pass it at this point, right? That's the say. Then the circle AD or DA produce at D. Then the circle will intersect. Join D prime B. D prime B. Now what will happen? ACB is equal to ADB. Now this is the same arc length. So this angle will be equal to this angle. Clear?
Yeah.
And ACB and AD prime B angle in the same segment. This is angle in the same segment. So this is also equal.
Yeah.
The same ADB, and AD prime. This is ADB. This is and this is. Now ADB, this ADB from these two follows relation is equal to AD prime B. Clear? ACB, this left hand side, ADB this.
So angle ADB is equal to angle AD prime B. How is that equal?
Let me remove all these points. Oh. Just a minute. We'll begin from beginning. If a line segment joining 2 points subtends equal angle at two other points lying in the same side of a line segment, okay, then 4 points are cyclic, that is on the same circle. So in theorem, it is said if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at two other points on the same side of line segment, then 4 points are cyclic. Here AB is a line segment and C and D are 2 points lying on the same side of AB such that ACB is ADB. This is given, right?
Yeah.
This is given. Okay. So what we did to prove that lie on the same circle, we have constructed a circle. Using these 3 points, AB and CD, right? AB and CD. Okay. So in construction, the point D lies outside. So what we did, we constructed it that D prime lies on the circle. So we use the condition that this angle is equal to this angle. And from theorem, this is equal to this. Okay. So using theorem statement, we got that ACB is equal to ADB. Okay. ACB is given already. This condition was given. And we also got that our construction that ACB equal to AD prime B. What we constructed. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is construction, na? So now we got that ADB is equal to AD prime B.
Okay.
But an exterior angle of triangle can never be equal to its interior angle. That's what that is our concern. Okay. So AD prime is true only when D coincides with D prime. That's the condition. It's only true when these 2 points coincides. Means that the circle is so that the difference between these two is not very large. The distance between these two is not very large. Then only this statement is true. Got the point? This is not generally
Yes, sir.
true. This is in a special case when D prime coincides. Then only this statement is true. Okay. Does D lie on the same circle passing through ABC? Hence, this is cyclic. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what about the question on this? Oh my gosh, I didn't fall. So now, till now, you may just note it down. You note it down. Okay, from first line. The statement is clear. Everything is clear.
Yeah.
So note it down.
So finished.
Okay, it's finished. Then what next? Nothing new. We should stop today. We should stop today. Let me see. Is there anything related to this topic? Actually, for this lesson, we are not following NCERT fully. Okay.
Okay.
So let me tell you the name of the book we are following. Give me a second. This is the book name. This is book by R.S. Agarwal. Okay. It's clear, visible to
Okay.
you? So I'm using for some
Yeah.
of the section from this book. And
Okay.
if you find it, get it or borrow it from anyone if you feel. We won't be using it for entire sections, but I think for till this section, it is important.
Hmm.
If you,
Okay.
okay. So this is the end of the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Enjoy the weekends. Ab the week now. Oh, in India, we are having 15 August, so we will be having some holidays.
Ah.
But enjoy your study.
It was and you
When
get
you will class will
also
start? When you will
it'll start in August 29th.
August 29. So you will be little bit busy, na?
Yeah, in between, but in the first 2-3 days, it won't be anything they'll give, but later on they'll give more.
Okay. Okay. So you will be in class 9th. The half semester will start. First half is completed, right?
Yeah, the first periodic test is finished.
Okay. The second periodic will be a start. Half yearly. What about half yearly?
Half yearly is the next exam, then second periodic, then final exam.
Okay. Okay. So prepare well.
Thank you, sir. And